Here's an update to the rabbit fences. I came out here to water and I didn't even see them. I've got 2 rat snakes stuck in the fence. They're wrapped up in there. They must have got trapped and then they couldn't get out, which kind of sucks because we like rat snakes. But oh my gosh, I didn't even recognize it. Do you see that one right there? They are trapped. I don't know why they're in here, what they were going for. You can see they are wrapped up in there. I wonder if it's a couple. He was thrashing around so much, he knocked over the cucumber marker. It's laying there on the ground. That's what I noticed laying down. But then I saw the white belly, and that's what really got me to notice the stakes. Let's get the snake out here. It took it a while to get it cut out. Let's take it back to its home. All right, you ready? There you go. Now, it's just a rat snake. If it moves anywhere, it's probably staying for its mate. All right, let's try to cut the mate out. She's getting tight around the... One more. Ooh, I don't want to get her scales. What is she? Oh, she's trapped down here too. All right. So, can you put a little tension on the netting? Pull it from back here so I can get the scissors in there. Okay, we gotta do that. Okay, drop that. Can you pull? Hold on, I got it. Can't do this. Can you pull this right here? That piece. You can't grab it. Hold on. Is that it? I think so. Did we get it all? Yep. All right, let's put her. Whoa! Oh, there you go. She didn't like that. All right, we'll back up and let her have it. Go. We did it. Well, I wasn't expecting to finish the video that way. That was an interesting turn of events. A couple days later, after installing the rabbit-proof fence, we caught a couple of, I think they're rat snakes. So they're nice snakes, and we like them around here. But being wrapped up in the netting is not good. So you never know what you find at the Garage Engineer shop. if you'd like to see more videos like the one that you just saw, you can check here and here. And remember the ABCs of making. Always be creating. Till next time.